Sometimes you need to place and extrude a sketch on a cylinder or cone, not on a flat surface. Let's see how this can be done in FreeCAD. For this, we will need the Curves workbench. This workbench does not come with the program by default, but it can be easily added through the add-in manager. To do this, go to Tools and select Add-in Manager. In the search bar, type Curves, select the workbench, and click the Install button. After installation, you will need to restart the program, after which the workbench will become available in the list of workbenches. Let's switch to Part Design and create a cone, then move to the Curves workbench. First, you need to select the surface on which we want to place the sketch and unfold it using this tool. Now let's move on to the Sketch workbench. Let's select an expanded plane and create a sketch. For convenience, let's project the geometry. Let's switch to Constructive Geometry and click on the plane. Next, let's add several circles and other geometry. We exit the sketch and return to the Curves workbench. The tool we will be using has a tooltip indicating the order in which to select the geometry. First, we select the sketch we previously created. Then we select the surface on which we want to place the sketch, in this case, the surface of the cone. And the last thing to do is to select the plane we unfolded. Click on the tool icon and our sketch will be projected onto the surface of the cone. To extrude, select the resulting object in the feature tree and go to Properties, Data. Set the thickness value and our sketch will be extruded. You can use both positive and negative values. You can also set an offset that shifts our result away from the surface of the body. You can also disable the Fill Faces property, which will give us geometry without filling. At the moment, we have two elements, the cone body and a separately extruded sketch. They can be combined for further editing. Let's go to the Part Design workbench and activate the body by double-clicking it, if it is not already activated. Then select our element and click this button. Disable Map on Face, select Shape Binder in the tree view, and activate Boolean operations. In this case, we need a fusion. It is selected by default. Click OK. Now it is a single body and we can continue editing it in the Part Design workbench. As an example, let's add a fillet. In the Curves workbench, there is another tool that allows you to place a sketch on a non-flat surface. Let's take a look at it as well. Select the surface where you want to place the sketch and click on this tool. An element appears in the design tree. Expand it and double-click on the sketch. Add the necessary geometry and exit it. Select the resulting object in the design tree and go to Properties. Here, you need to activate Fill Faces and add thickness. Everything else is the same as in the first option.